Viking Nation, to learn about what's going on our campus this summer. We're going to bring you updates about our high school, the activities, the middle school, and what we've added there, and of course our construction going on at the elementary school. Welcome to our new high school courtyard. We obviously have a turf now where it was a mud pit. You can see what's going on. Let's play some soccer. So welcome to Champions Hall, where this summer we added 10 additional classrooms and did some revamping. So come on in and see the exciting learning environments that we have for you. And social science and history will be held. You'll see that we've got new paint, new flooring, and the ceilings have been raised. The rooms have actually been expanded. Welcome to the middle school, where we'll be talking about the new additions that we've added to this part of our campus on the 3-year journey of our construction needs. As you can see from the fences behind me, and in our parent survey, this came up quite a bit for Gate 8, that we wanted more security and safety for our students. So obviously your voice is important. That's why we added this area. The students also have a new soccer field that they'll be playing on, and of course the new Gaga pit for them to play and work on their wellness needs. Welcome to our Fine Arts building. In our Fine Arts building, we added in new ceiling tiles, new acoustical tiles, and the whole place has been painted and just refurbished so we can have a better experience. So thank you for being part of our vibrant community. We look forward to our students being in these new facilities soon. All yours. Gaga!